supposed to go to Korea, but I missed my flight. Oh my god, I'm so sad. So I thought we didn't need visa, but I did to do like an online kind of visa, which is called the KETA, and I didn't know. I thought this was a visa, so I didn't apply it. Now I got it, and I'm gonna take the next flight. It's 7 o'clock now. I just got McDonald's. I'm just gonna wait. I'm not really hungry, but I figured I need to eat. My family already went with the previous flight, so I'm gonna join them there. And also my aunt sent me a pic of the flight, and there's like no one in it. So stupid of me. That's the first time that happens. I made it in. Let's go. Departure is at 10:40. I think I'm arriving in Seoul at 3:20, so that changes the plan a bit. Like, I won't be enjoying the full day, but finally landed in South Korea. I'm gonna take the bus to meet my family in the hotel. I'm so tired. There were a lot of turbulence, so I feel kind of sick, and now I have to take like 1 hour of bus. Let's hope I don't throw up. But we made it! I'm so excited and tired. I'm taking the bus 6015 to Yongdong. Out of the bus, and I'm gonna try to find the hotel. I think it's just right there. So I'm just gonna do a little voiceover for the room tour. Here's the bathroom. It comes with everything you need and a bathtub. Then we have some robes and also a safe in the closet. It comes with slippers, a mini fridge. Then we have 2 beds, and in between we have a little nightstand. I'm charging my phone, as you can see. That's pretty pretty. And we also have a desk and a nice little couch. This is next to an amazing view. From our room we can see the Enso Tower, which is so pretty, and we can also stalk people on the rooftops, which is really really cute. You take hat on a downsy. We're walking around Myeongdong now to eat. We're gonna eat like BBQ. We're waiting for a table. I love Myeongdong already. There's so many things, so many like food and things to buy. I think I'm gonna buy a lot, but yeah. It's 10:14 now and we are back at the hotel. As you can see, it's been a really long day. I'll say we walked a bit like in Myeongdong. We ate some street food, we walked around a bit. They are like kind of closing, so there wasn't much to like see, but that was great and the food was really good. KBBQ was really good. It was more on the expensive side though, but I think that's something you need to try, so I would highly recommend this place. But yeah, we're gonna like try to plan tomorrow's day. We're gonna try to rest today and hopefully tomorrow we can like rise and shine and like enjoy Seoul. That's it for today. I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it even though I lost like almost the full day. It's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.